What's going on, guys? So you are in for a treat today. This Jayco Flight in front of me is a very special travel trailer for a very special reason, because this is one of the few travel trailers that has a floor plan like this. So hang tight, you're not going to want to miss this. Alright guys, so this is the 34 MBDS Flight from Jayco. This has a very, very cool floor plan, but before we look at the floor plan, I want you to look at the overall length of this specific travel trailer. This thing comes in at almost 39 feet long. You heard that right, 39 feet long for a travel trailer. This is simply a huge and very long travel trailer. Let's take a look at the numbers on it. So this travel trailer has a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,950 pounds, has a cargo capacity of 1,929 pounds, which means when this thing is fully loaded, you need to expect probably upwards of 2,000 pounds worth of tongue weight on the back of your tow vehicle. This also has two opposing slides. It has a standard rack and pinion slide on this side and a Schwintek slide on the other side. It also has dual propane canisters, power tongue jack, but a different style hitch than you might normally see on an A-frame. So you can see this one where it couples from the bottom and it's mounted to the bottom of the A-frame section versus some of these other ones that have the coupler on the top. So when you see this, it gives you two things. First of all, it makes it a little easier to hitch up to a truck simply because you're not going to have the hitch so much higher and it's not going to drop the frame lower. In this case, the actual frame assembly is above the coupler and it makes it a little bit easier to get the height you need whenever you're coupling behind a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck, because I would not recommend towing this behind a 1/2 ton truck. Now this is a stick and tin, which means it is a wood frame with an aluminum sided unit. Let's open up the front storage here, see what it looks like. You have your 50 amp power cable in there, your propane canister cover, and a very good size pass-through storage. Plus it kind of wraps around inside there. This is a lot of storage for a travel trailer. You've done a good job. It has scissor jacks on the front and back to help stabilize it. Runs aluminum wheels with Goodyear Endurance tires. It doesn't have any type of an upgraded equalizer, but it does ride on a 12-inch I-beam frame with a boxed section beneath it. So it has a good frame that it rides on. Definitely one of the few travel trailers that has a frame like this. From the back, you can see the LED lights. It is wired for a Furrion camera, and it also has LED clearance lights and turn signals. Plus it has a little swing around barbecue grill. This unit also comes equipped with an outside kitchen. You can see micro refrigerator, has space here for something, has a nice pull-out cooktop right here. Lots of cabinets. And the cabinets have nice little supports that keep them open. Very nice little outside kitchen. I wish it had a sink, but you're starting to see some of them with sinks and some of them without sinks. This particular one does not have a sink. Okay, let's take a look inside of this 34 MBDS. Again, everything's key to like, has a thermal package on it as well. Plus, one thing I didn't point out earlier was this large awning. It's a power awning with the speakers on the corner as well. So whenever you play music from the inside, it actually comes out from the corner of the speakers if you have it set for your outside speakers. Let's take a look inside of this very special floor plan. So what makes this floor plan different isn't the living room. This is a rear living room floor plan. I really love the dark tones of the cabinetry. I like how it blends with the flooring and the light solid surface countertops. Has a nice freestanding dinette. Nice sofa in the back. They just got this unit in, and that's one of the reasons why you see some of the things not set up yet. Nice reclining system here with the heat, massage, and power recline. So it has a lot of features you would expect in a higher end travel trailer, especially in terms of price. And especially when you look at the outside of this and you say, well, it's a stick and tin, so, you know, is it going to have a cheaper interior? Well, this has a very nice interior, fully ducted AC, a lot of countertop space for the island, as well as some next to the stove. You have some nice cabinets around the top, more cabinets up there, cabinets up here, plus on each side of the fireplace, which is becoming more of a rare thing to see. You don't see as many fireplaces with cabinets next to them anymore. Coming back around this way, what's behind this door makes this travel trailer stand out from the crowd. And that is the fact that this is a mid-bunk travel trailer. You heard that right. This actually has a second bedroom. Has 2 bunk beds on top of each other, and it has cabinet space as well as space for a TV in here. This is really cool, and you don't see very many of these. I've personally only seen maybe one other mid-bunk style travel trailer, and the fact that this one has dual bunks is pretty awesome. Lots of storage room in here as well, more cabinets down below. This is just a really cool floor plan, and you hardly ever see anything like this. So you have the really nice rear living room type setup. Great if you're going to have family, friends, everyone's over here. You're cooking on the stove. You have food set out. You have people sitting at the table. Great place. But then the kids, the smaller kids, want to go to their own room. You have their own room right here. You have a nice mid-bunk, large window. You have a window up top. They can watch TV or do whatever they need to do in here. And then you still have your master bedroom back here. So up top here are going to be your controls. Jayco does a great job of concealing controls. They just don't like them overly visible. Coming back, we'll step into the bathroom first. You can see it is a good-sized bathroom. Lots of cabinets. Lots of cabinets. This has more cabinets than our fifth wheel does. Has a nice tall stand-up shower. You could probably be upwards of about 6'4" to fit comfortably in that shower. Nice vanity sink area, foot flush toilet, and a lot of room in front of the toilet. That is very nice. Nice medicine cabinet. Nice deep shelves too. Typically the shelves are only about that deep. This one, they're probably closer to 6 inches. Plus your sink faucet area. Coming into the master bedroom through the bathroom. You can come in either through the bathroom or through its own entrance. Queen size bed. Looks like you probably have about 16 inches of space on each side of the bed, and it is a full-length queen-size bed, so it's not one of those shortened RV styles. Plus, you have your second air conditioning unit up front. This one is a direct control, which means it's going to blow air out from around or straight down on this specific unit, which is great for the parents or whoever's falling asleep at night, and you want to have that control in here. 2 nice large windows with some really nice valances. Again, for what this is, which is a non-fiberglass wall travel trailer, to have this type of interior with this type of floor plan is really nice. And you don't see too many of these like this. So this is really cool. Plus they put little jacket holders up here. A lot of little touches that some even luxury brands miss out on. But as a travel trailer goes, this is probably my favorite interior floor plan of a travel trailer. But you guys know I'm a little biased when it comes to mid-bunk styles, and the fact that this is a mid-bunk travel trailer simply blows me away. I do know it's a stick and tin unit, and where that benefits you is that it's going to be a little bit less expensive. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You know, some people prefer this style, some people prefer a fiberglass laminated wall style. One thing that's nice about stick and tin though is if it ever gets damaged, if you ever have any type of a rot or a situation where you have to replace some boards, it's a lot easier to do on a unit like this than it would be on a solid fiberglass walled unit. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very soon.